Welcome to the world of Future Tech Fest, where innovation is born.
Welcome, ladies and gentlemen. This is the very first Future Tech Fest. Showtime, baby.
So I think the combination of Future Tech and Fest was what makes this festival, this conference, and everything that this FTF stands for.
Future Tech Fest ist eine verrückte Mischung aus unterschiedlichsten Persönlichkeiten, die alle Bock auf Machen und Mut haben.
Future Tech Fest ist eine sehr intelligente Veranstaltung, weil Start-ups zusammenkommen mit erfahrenen Wirtschaftsleuten, die miteinander verzahnt in die Zukunft schauen.
As every year, it's amazing to be on the FTF, meeting so many people from the startup ecosystem.
Future Tech Fest is the place to be if you want to talk about innovation in Rhineland.
FTF was really an amazing experience since we had the honor to present the HR Tech Red Stage, and it was really amazing to see that so many people are so interested in EdTech and HR Tech.
Thank you for the invitation to be here today with the ESA Big, and we have Agent as and Dance here on our booth, and very happy to present our space technology.
I think an event like that is important for founders to build the right environment, because you are the average of the 5 people you spend most time on, and if you meet a lot of other founders here, I bet that you will be more successful to create your own startup.
And now you're asking yourself why you haven't been here? This is the moment to say, get your tickets. See you in 2025. Future Tech, baby.